We are Adasoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorials for the beginners in SketchUp software.
In this video, we will discuss about section tool in SketchUp. In SketchUp, section planes are objects that affect the visibility of certain parts of your model. You can access section tool under section toolbar. If section toolbar is not showing in your window, please turn on this option in toolbar menu under view tab. Click on section plane from section toolbar. Place section planes on face. Using arrow keys, you can orient the section plane. Using display section cuts, you can toggle the section cuts on and off. Using display section plane tool, you can turn on and off the section plane. Using move tool, you can move the section plane like this. Select the section plane, then right click on it and select reverse from the drop down list to reverse the direction of the section plane. Thanks for watching this video.